celebrating two decades of Pure Gold's core membership program for entrepreneurs, ang tindahan ni Aling Puring. Kaya naman, this is the most special one we've ever had. At maraming pang promo at sorpresa ang inihanda ng Pure Gold para sa ating lahat sa 3-day convention na ito. At sisimulan na natin ngayon mismo now.
That's right, Justin. That's 20 years working ng magkakasama. And from what I gathered, there are 496 Pure Gold stores nationwide. So, malapit na maging 500.
Malapit na sa 500. Okay, so yung magiging next franchise owner, no? Diba? 4 na lang. 4 na lang. Well, okay, mag-marketing tayo. Pero kami talaga, ang galing ni Aling Puring. Palagpakan naman natin si Aling Puring. And this year, yung mga group natin, yung mga designs to represent Pure Gold's presence in Luzon, Visayas, and in Mindanao.
That's right. So, we're going to be ng Pure Gold nationwide. And of course, it just keeps getting stronger through the tindahan ni Aling Puring program that Pure Gold uses to bring in the most of the beauty and services to transform, of course, the lives and businesses of our
Kasama ang tropa ng sa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mandaan, ibabadanas ang saya ng What's Up Pilipinas. Tutok na sa What's Up Pilipinas. Ang saya sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng What's Up Pilipinas.
Sa mga trade partners natin, and they're with us today.
Yes, they're with us today. Kaya naman, it's time to have them join us here. Dahil every fiesta, may makulay na parada. So let's all welcome our grand parade with our most valued trade partners.
Palagpakan natin sila, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes!
Aling Puring herself is leading this parade, and of course, our trade partners are with her. For our trade partners. We have about 100 of them in rotation. We have the likes of ATX, Benji, Delphi, Fiberline, Hanabishi, Gardenia, Seto Supreme, IFP, Leslie, Liwai White, Barbie, Pink World, Eritus Prime, Montosco, Nutritive, Perfetti, Teresa, Premier Wine and Spirits, Sanicare, Suyan, Selecta, and many more.
Gold, of course. Walking next from our gold category, starting with Alaska Milk Corporation. Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines. Philippines Incorporated. Magnolia Incorporated. Philippines Incorporated. Nutri Asia Incorporated.
Pepsi-Cola Products Philippines Incorporated.
PMFTC Incorporated. Incorporated Can Division. That's our batch of major sponsors from the gold category. Philippines Incorporated Grocery Division.
Procter & Gamble Philippines Incorporated.
Unilever Philippines Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the 120 suppliers, the best and most trusted trade partners of Pure Gold for the Ascenso tayo. Celebration ng 2 dekada ni Aling Puring milestone that we're all celebrating today.
O, diba? Ang saya makita na sama-sama tayong lahat ngayon. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa ating panalong pusta ang Bragarita.
Okay, let's have the Cole family in the middle of our stage, please. Calling on the Cole family, headed by President Ferdinand Vincent Cole and Chairwoman Susan Cole. Also calling on Chairman Lucio Cole.
Alright, may we all celebrate this momentous 20-year milestone of TNAP with continued partnerships built on trust, loyalty, and oneness with Pure Gold's goal to provide always phenomenal products and opportunities to every Filipino.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, it's our time to raise our brands that will ascend Pure.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. I'm pretty excited today because this is the occasion of my son. Kanina marami nagbati sa akin about this convention, and the only thing I can say, hindi ito mangyayari kung hindi dahil sa inyong lahat. Dahil sa inyong tulong, dahil sa inyong pagmamahal, at sa lahat, lalo sa inyong suporta. On behalf of my family, I would like to thank each and every one of you, especially the people behind Vincent team. Maraming salamat, maraming salamat po. Mga pinakamamahal naming ka-Ascenso, trade partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, mga ka-Pure Gold, masayang araw po sa ating lahat. Today marks the start of Pure Gold Sari-Sari Store Convention 2024. This year, we are commemorating significant milestone because first, we are just 4 doors away from reaching 500 Pure Gold stores. And second, because 2024 marks the 20th year of our tindahan ni Aling Puring, mga ka-Ascenso, 20 taon na tayong magkasama sa always panalo na pagnenegosyo. As we celebrate 2 decades of coming together to learn, grow, and succeed, we embrace the theme, Ascenso Tayo. This theme holds a powerful message that I believe resonates deeply with each and every one of us here today. Ang Ascenso ay para sa lahat, hindi Ascenso ka or Ascenso ako, kundi Ascenso tayo. And we achieve this with our collective ideas and initiatives. Sari-Sari store and small business owners continue to be faced with a tough economic landscape. It seems no one is spared from competition to varying market trends. The road to success is not always easy, but by standing together, by sharing our knowledge and our experiences, we can create a network of support that will help us push through even the toughest of times. In the face of the daily challenges, obstacles, and adversity, it is easy to feel overwhelmed and defeated. But coming together as a community, we become stronger. Proof of that power is Pure Gold ending the year 2023 with 850,000 Sari-Sari store members and about 50,000 Karinderya members. That's 900,000 micro, small, and medium thriving entrepreneurs and counting. Partners and guests, we have the continued shared responsibility to be the most convenient source of assorted, high-quality goods with the best prices. We have the edge to assist and sustain more lives through the Tindahan ni Aling Puring program. Let us always keep in mind, as we gather here today, that being panalo is not just a goal to be achieved, but a mindset to live by. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for being a part of our Tindahan ni Aling Puring program. Be assured that Pure Gold will continue to innovate and inspire all ka-asensos the next decades to come. Nandito kami lagi para sumuporta. Walang kahit sino ang dapat maiwan sa tungo ng asenso. Dahil sa atin, tuloy-tuloy na pagsasama, tunay na nasa atin ang panalo. Vincent, look at the problems with the right mindset and the right set of values to guide you whenever you face a situation or problem. Just remember the value of values for you to come up with the right decision. I want you to lead the company to do things with integrity, openness, to work with excellence, and to do well. As always, from a proud mom. Vincent, congratulations to you and to your team. Another job well done. I love you, son. I hope by next year, I will be sitting down there listening to your opening remarks. To all our ka-asenso, to all our Aling Puring members, and to all our dear valued suppliers, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for your continued support in the program of Aling Puring. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat.
Sa atin yung panalo, diba? It really assures us that Pure Gold will relentlessly innovate and sustain yung mga SMEs natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes, and because, of course, this is such a momentous event, we also have a very special person.
Favorite noontime show, 8 Bulaga, ladies and gentlemen. So Red din, of course, ay kilala na. Bilang isang public servant, mga ka-Pure Gold, let's please welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Vicente C. Soto III. Morning, citizen.
Thank you. Morning. Thank you very much. Thank you for the introduction. Our dear chairwoman, Susan Ko. Of course, my good friend, the President Ferdinand Vincent Ko. Pure Gold brand partners, the Pure Gold Pioneer members, guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat na narito ngayon sa Negosyo Convention Asenso Tayo 20. Allow me first to congratulate Pure Gold for these wonderful 20 years. Congratulations po. Maraming umasenso sa inyo. Thank you. Please, a warm applause for Pure Gold. Sari-sari stores form part of the Filipino culture. It is native to the Philippines. Talagang sariling atin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Not only did sari-sari stores survive the impact of the pandemic, it is thriving more than ever. Just last year, in a study conducted by analytics startup Packworks, sari-sari stores recorded a total of 8 billion pesos in sales, which is a staggering 21.2% increase from the total sales of 2022. Also, the Philippine Statistics Authority reported that 99.58% of the total businesses in the Philippines are categorized as MSMEs. MSMEs generate 65.10% of our country's employment, or a total of 5,607,748 jobs. The MSMEs, of course, micro, small, and medium enterprises in our country's our country's main contributor and economic backbone. When I was Senate President, we passed measures that are beneficial to our MSMEs. Una-una na po doon yung train law, the tax reform for acceleration and inclusion law. Ito po ay nagpo-provide sa mga MSMEs, instead of paying income and percentage tax, you have the option to pay a much simpler flat tax of 8% on gross sales and receipts. During the pandemic, the Bayanihan to Recover as One Act, which I also principally authored, allotted 10 billion pesos to the Small Business Corporation, SB Corp, to expand its COVID-19 assistance to restart CARES program. Also, there is the Magna Carta for MSMEs since 1991 and the Go Negosyo Act, establishing negosyo centers in all provinces, cities, and municipalities nationwide. The Barangay Micro Business Enterprises Act, on the other hand, exempts the MSMEs from the coverage of the minimum wage law. Our government promotes and ensures to strengthen and encourage the growth of MSMEs. In this regard, Pure Gold is not only an ally of every sari-sari store owners, but a steadfast partner of the government in supporting the MSME sector. Pure Gold's mission to provide our sari-sari store owners accessible business opportunities is indeed the highest standard of corporate social responsibility. And again, my congratulations to Pure Gold for the Ascenso 20 years. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kaya patuloy nating suportahan ang tindahan ni Aling Puring. Sa Pure Gold, tunay na always panalo. Panalo ang sari-sari store owners, panalo ang mamamayan, panalo ang gobyerno. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations.
2004 until today. We'd like to call back on stage the Ko family, of course. Ano natin sila? Headed by its president, Mr. Vincent Ko. Chairwoman Susan Ko. We have as well Chairman Lucio Ko. Coming up on stage to be joined by Pamela Ko, Camille Ko, and Katrina Ko as well. Calling on the Ko family on stage, please. So, ano natin sila, ladies and gentlemen? It's the family that keeps Pure Gold running, diba?
That's what's the family here.
Yes.
Maybe next year we'll hear Susan's son speak.
Oh, that's right. So, opening remarks, abangan natin yan. Okay, and now we're going to present them with a commemorative token. Starting with Ma'am Arlene Cunanan of Pure Gold Baliban.
Mama Lerma Guinevere, Pure Gold Amigo Ryan.
Thanks so much, Ma'am Lerma. Up next we have Ma'am Elma Guevara, Pure Gold Manolos.
Ma'am Susan Dos Santos, Pure Gold Monumento.
Thanks so much, Ma'am Susan Dos Santos. Up next we have Ma'am Irene Gasao, Pure Gold Shop.
Next, we have Ma'am Annalisa Marquez, Pure Gold Pasig.
Thanks so much, Ma'am Annalisa Marquez. Up next we have Ma'am Jelly Igno, Pure Gold Santa Mesa.
Next, we have Ma'am Irish Magnayev, Pure Gold Makati.
Thanks so much, Ma'am Irish. Up next we have Ma'am Odessa Segovia, Pure Gold Calippo.
Next, Ma'am Wilda Sugato, Pure Gold Taytay.
Up next we have Ma'am Wilda Subato, Pure Gold Taytay. Sorry, up next we have Ma'am Pilar Betonio, Pure Gold Paranaque.
Next, we have Ma'am Geraldine Makinay, Pure Gold Binyan.
Okay, up next we have Ma'am Concepcion Garcia, Pure Gold Balate.
Next up, Ma'am Marie Wong, Pure Gold Las Piñas.
Up next we have Ma'am Eleanor Ricardo, Pure Gold Amor.
Of course, we would also like to take the time to recognize some of our 25 years who may not be physically present at the moment but are still equally dear to us. Of course, that includes Ma'am Agafren Doldoria, Pure Gold Venezuela.
Ma'am Maricar Paseos, Pure Gold QI Central.
And of course, Ma'am Lucia Illustre, Pure Gold Libertad.
And of course, we'd like to take time to recognize two of our 25 years. We're also not here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tindahan ni aming Puri Pioneer members! Talaga sa Pure Gold, sama-sama talaga tayo sa saya at sa benta. Negosyo ay aasenso, always panalo tayo.
Yes, and of course, to our trade partners, we invite all of you to stick your smaller flaglets on the Freedom Wall behind the audience area. So if you're curious, the Freedom Wall is actually over here where I'm pointing. It's still a wall that I'm pointing to. You can stick your flaglets there behind the audience area. So maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for your never-ending trust and support for Pure Gold.
Congratulations once again, Pure Gold, and tindahan ni aming Puri!
People is there to help us all our days para naman mas lalo natin maalagaan ang gusto ng ating mga kids. At hindi lang para maalagaan, pero para mas maging masaya din yung mga moments natin together with our children.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, alam mo nakakatuwa nga because every time, kahit sabihin mo, it's baby powder, it's bath soap, or it's baby wipes, every time I give them a chance, they find different ways to use these things.
Wow!
Dati sila natutuwa din naman ako, napanoorin sila na natutuwa.
Yes, para naliligo. Magugulat kayo mamaya, bumubula na tayo dito.
Mamaya, ba't naligo kayo sa badyo? Ganun din.
Gusto ko yan. Okay. So, ito na, Ben. Ready ka na mag-judge ka sa kanila.
Naabangan nyo yan. Yan, really, niya-apps namin yan. But, of course, I'd like to thank the family, my safeguard family.